Hi friends, this is the query which I asked in the group to let you know. First of all, I will explain you this query, later I will show you the solution. Okay, see, what it is asking means you have to find the sales representative sales as per month. Okay, three different salesperson, three different months. So you have to get them total sales, maximum and minimum. See, so many actually, as per my knowledge and experience and skills, having only one solution for this. If you'll use some product also, it will not work. If you'll use some also, it will not work. See, it's very, very logical and a magic query which I'm going to explain you guys. See, first of all, I'll zoom a little bit. Okay. See, first of all, what you'll do, I'll explain this to you later. You have to show how to highlight these things as per here. Okay. See, match of match of whole thing F4 comma here F4 comma 0 F9. Okay, okay, I have given the names now. So I'll highlight. I'll come back here and I will highlight this one. So it has to find the positions. It is the positions in 2, 3, and 5, right? And I'll use the index, but it will not work. You have to do some magic from where you have to start from here. F4, comma, the same thing, but here month should change. Here the month. F4, 4, I have not keeping the comma here. F4, comma, month. F4, comma, 0. Okay, this is the row. Here is the row, and here is the comma. See what will happen. If I type row, it has to give positions. First of all, I'll press enter because I don't want to miss that formula. Row number F9 and column number F9. Sorry, column number F9. See, but it has to work. Right, it has to work. But when I highlight the whole table, it gives you some errors. 160. So it is not the right answer. Okay, it is picking only the one thing, 1670, where it is Krishna June. Krishna June. See, only this thing it is picking. But we want the three things Krishna, Ravi, Pranavi, June, November, and February. So here you have to do some logic here. F2. Okay, formula is there now. Okay. See, here you have to do some logic. I'll skip and I'll move a little bit. F2. Here you have to do some logic. Maximum people is unable to find why this function is going to work. How this function is going to work? See, n for number because we are searching for n. If 1 comma and close here the word part, and again the same thing n open bracket if open bracket 1, any non-zero number considered as a true comma close parenthesis. See, let's see, is it working or not? F9. We're also F9. Yes, it is working. Now just see the magic. F9. Okay, the three things 1670 656 1028. See, now Ravi November 656. Let's check. I'll press enter because I don't want to miss. Ravi November 656. Let me check. Ravi November 656. See here. See here. Okay. Now simply use a sum for this. F2 sum product. First of all, I'll copy this formula because I have to use number of times. Control C escape. F2 sum product. Control Shift and enter. Control enter. It will not work. Control Shift enter. Okay, if you want, you can count it. See, we will count it. No need, no issues. We will count it. Krishna June. Where is the Krishna June? Krishna June. Where it is June? Here it is. 1670. Okay, I highlight this one. Next. Ravi November. Ravi November. Here it is 6 by 6. Okay. Pranavi February. Pranavi February. See here, you can see the count 6359. Why it's doing the wrong? The procedure is correct. I think what you say. Okay, I highlighted this one also. For that reason, I highlighted this one also. So here 656 and 1670 and next thing Pranavi 679. So Pranavi February. If you add, okay, I will write here. That's better. 1670. Next, Ravi November. Ravi November. Where it is? Ravi November 6 by 6. Okay, 6 by 6. Next, Pranavi February. What is the Pranavi February? Pranavi February 1028. 1028. Alt equal 3354. 3354. If I change this to August, okay, August, see, it will change dynamically. Okay, I already saved this, so I use a max function, Control V, close parenthesis, Control Shift Enter, and min, okay, is equal to min of tab, Control V, close parenthesis, Control Shift Enter. Now you have to highlight these names as per this. Whenever I change this, it has to change dynamically. Okay, as per this, you have to highlight those things. Right. In next session, maybe next week or maybe some days, I will show you this one. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your patience, and may God bless you all. Ram Ram. Hi, friends. This is Amay's Guru. After a long time, I'm back with the conditional format of first query. How to do the conditional format? How to highlight the salesperson name? See how I highlighted. If I'll zoom a little bit.
Bro, sorry to
If
interrupt you, bro. Hello, so I'm audible.
uh,
Bro,
Ah,
last
yes,
week
yes.
itself this question has been done, bro. From your end only.
This one you did, right?
No, bro, your end only did, bro. Last week itself.
No, I did not highlight it. Just I said to highlight the salesperson name. I
Okay.
only did the total sales maximum and minimum, but I did not said how to highlight that salesperson name.
Okay, okay. Now got it, bro. Now got it. We can proceed, bro.
Okay, so here if I change Raja to sorry, Raja to some other name which is Josna. Okay, Josna is there. Okay, Josna, December. So automatically it will highlight the Josna December. Where is Josna December? Yes, it is 822 December. Okay, what is your idea how to do this one? Hmm.
Conditional format by using VLOOKUP
Yes,
tables.
yes, yes. Conditional format only. But before starting, I will explain you one thing so that you can able to understand. See, first thing, when these are like this, then it's called and. When conditions are like this, A, B, C, and D, E, F, so condition is and. I'll place it here and. Okay. When condition is like this, A, B, C, and J, H, some J, K, L. When it is like this, then it's called an or. Or. When it's like this, and. Okay, this is the thing which I'm going to show you.
Oh,
If the condition is like this, it's called or. When the condition is like this, it's called and.
yes, sir.
Okay, this is the thing I'm going to explain you guys here.
When
So
both
first
condition
of all,
match,
yes, because or and is there.
yes, sir.
Or
Because
and.
when yes, sir, in and both condition must be positive,
Yes,
must be
yes,
true.
yes,
Then it will
yes,
work. In
yes.
in or
Or
out of two or three, one condition is met. That means it is or right.
right, right, exactly, exactly, exactly. So here, see what how I'll do. I already placed it or here or and open parenthesis. This one I'm freezing rows and columns is equal to this one. I'm freezing only the row, sorry, column, but not the row. Comma, and again the month is there here. Month. Freezing F4 equal to Jan. Freezing row, but not column. One and is over. Second and. This one F4 equal to starts from here. F4. Here you have to freeze column. Here also and. Here also and. Comma and month. F4 equal to Jan. Here I'm freezing the row but not the column. Again and. Three conditions are there totally. And Pranavi. F4 equal to this one. Freezing the column but not the row. Comma. This one F4 the month equal to here. I'm freezing the here, I'm freezing the row, but not the column. Okay, so these are the three conditions. If the any of these true, here is the logical one. Any of these true, it should highlight. Okay, so it's an array function. So I'm using Control Shift and Enter. Okay, Control R down, Control D. See, wherever it finds that, it will show us the true. So what I'll do, I highlight this whole thing. First of all, I'll remove the condition. Alt HL clear selected. Enter select. Okay. Now I copy this formula from here. F2. This whole formula, including equal sign. Control C. Escape. Highlight the thing which you want to highlight, the data only, not the names. Okay, not the names, only the data which I want. So I'm highlighting only the sales. Alt HL R. Think it will not show. New rule. Here you'll find the new rule. Control V. Format with the orange only. Fill with orange. Font with the bold and black. Okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. Any doubts? Whenever I change this one, whenever I change a month or a name, automatically it will highlight those sales from here to
Okay.
here.
Okay. One out, sir.
Yes, yes, one doubt. Yes, go ahead.
I understand the AND condition. Okay. Why first we use OR?
Yeah.
Bec-
Why I'm using first? Wow. Yes.
yeah. At the
See,
first
first
of the
or.
formula,
Yes,
only
yes.
OR. Yeah.
Yeah,
OR
yeah.
at
Here
once.
only. Yes, yes. Here only I said that and. Here
Yes, yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
here or.
Okay. We also
The,
want the names. First
mm,
name and then
a month.
because. Okay, okay.
So and whenever it finds any true among these,
Yes, sir. Yes.
and then it has to show true,
Okay, sir.
else it has to show false for that reason.
Okay, sir. Okay.
For that
Understand.
reason, and how many guys did not ask why I used NF logical functions? What is N and what is why I used over there? Here I have used here N function.
Yes, sir.
F2. Here N function is there. Why I have used this function? Hmm?
Mm,
See, there are two functions. One is T and one is N. T for text, N for numbers. See,
okay.
if I 25
Mm-hmm.
ABC, okay. If I use N here,
Mm-hmm.
it will pick up 25.
Okay.
When I use T here, it will pick up this text.
ABC.
So I
Okay.
am asking that function to pick up wherever the numbers are there, pick up those numbers. All numbers,
Okay.
not one number,
Okay.
all numbers.
One
For
out.
that
One out.
reason, yes, go ahead.
For example, if we write ABC 25 and use T and N formula in different columns, then it will extract the ABC.
No, no,
Okay.
no, no, no. In one cell, it will not. You want
No,
to
no.
say
Two
like
two
this.
difference. U and V. U and V.
Okay,
ABC
you,
25.
okay.
Right?
ABC
U in U
and
function.
and 25. Okay.
Yes, sir. Now
And
in any cell,
W.
use
Okay.
yeah equal
In
to
WX. Yes, in W equal to
uh, U60 N
N
number
number.
U16. Click on U16.
Again, okay. You want to make it like this.
Yes,
You,
yes.
you not you. Sorry, T it is actually okay. T16. Right. You want to
It's
tell
17, na,
like
sir.
this.
It's 17. No, no. Last cell.
Yeah,
U16.
yeah,
This is the 17.
yeah. That's what I'm said.
Yes, yes, yes.
See, one second. I think it is not zoomed. Are you clarified that out?
Ye- Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's concatenated both things.
No, 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 no. I don't want to concatenate.
You
I
want
want
in
that.
different cells. You want in different
Yes,
cells.
yes. Yeah. If I use my question is in cell 16, U16, you have written
Mm.
ABC 25, right?
Yes.
In V17, if I write
Mm.
equal to T,
Mm. T.
then stat abscess is U16. Yeah. This will extract ABC.
No, no. Yes, yes. Listen. It's
Yes, sir.
a.
Yes, sir.
It consider. It considers a text.
Okay.
It considers a text, not a
Because
number.
ABC is written. Yes, yeah.
Yes, ABC. If I
Okay,
remove
okay.
ABC, then it can understand that it is a number.
Cat number. Okay, okay.
Like that.
Okay, understand.
And for that reason, I use the logical function over here
Okay.
that if any true, non-zero number considered as a true. If it is true, then pick up all the numbers wherever it finds in a array.
Okay.
For that reason, I have used the logical function. Directly, it will
Mhm.
not pick up those numbers. You have to
Okay.
use a logical function. For that reason only, it will pick up all the numbers.
Okay. That's why I use the number if condition is met.
Logical must mandatory for
Oh,
this
okay, okay. Okay, sir.
because always n will pick up single number, not the array numbers. So
Okay.
for array, I have used the if logical.
Okay.
This is the thing.
Okay, sir.
Any more doubts?
No, sir. No. Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will practice if I got any uh, doubt. I
Hi friends, this is Amay Guru Rajnikant and here this query which I posted earlier in Telegram group. So still now no one has answered this query and here I'm going to show you the solution for this. That is actually the query is find the selectors of the employee name who did maximum projects in the month of Jan. So we have to find the cell address of the employee name. Okay, so here is the totally two conditions that is January and the project maximum. Later we find the employee name. See how I'll do. First of all, we have to find the ma first of all we have to find the how many are Jan here. So I'm using a text function over here to pick up where is the Jan, how many Jans are there and where it is. So I'm equal to it's a text, so I'm using Jan F9. So wherever it finds the Jan, that is January, so it will pick up the true and remaining are all falses. So here is the condition to find the, first of all, you have to pick up the maximum sales or a project of the month of Jan. So I'm using this max if a logical function and pick up in these projects F4. So it will pick up the maximum projects done in January. So I'm using Control Shift Enter for this because it's an array function. So 62 is the maximum compared to Jan. Compared to other months, the January is having only two projects have been completed in January. One is 62 and one is 70. Wait a minute, for 57. One is 57 and another is 62. So maximum is 62. Okay, so what I'll do, I will ask where it is. F4. Okay, where it is. F9. So it will pick up the only one position wherever it finds the 62. That is maximum projects done in January. That is 62. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. So here is the one condition is over. And the second condition is no, you have to find the row address of the employee name. So two conditions over. First of all, let you clear everything. That is January and the sales, and you have to find where it is. So two conditions is over. Now you have to pick up the row. So we need employee name, right? So for that reason, you have to use the row of employee. F4. Wantedly, they will, the company will confuse us. For that reason, it will take some time to understand. So it will pick up this one. So 5. But 5 is here is showing 5. See the row number. See how I'll do. Is this all or F9? True, true, true. The third position is true. Control Z. Again have to do F2. See the third position is true. First of all, 62. I will equal to this product F4. Okay, into the row of this, because we need the sales representative name. Okay, why, what's happening here? Wait a minute, the row is closed, the row is closed. Wait a minute, something went wrong. The procedure. Mhm. Yes, number 2. Mm, okay, you have to remove this one. Okay, and close the parenthesis here. So let us check like this, and you'll find F9. Okay, somewhere went wrong here. Again, I have to check where it went wrong. The maximum logical text and value true. So maximum F9 number 2 is not there. Okay. So I'm asking whether it is true or not. So okay, extra bracket for this. Let us check. Okay, and row number F9. So it will pick up all starting from 3 and ends at 17. 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I'll do, first I'll press enter and I will do step by step so that you can able to understand easily. F9. True in the third position, that is 1, 2, 3. And here the row position. So to pick up the fifth position, that is true. Wherever it finds the true, it will pick up the fifth position. Okay, guys. So totally F9 all zeros. Why all zeros? It should not be all zeros. Max. Yes. And here is there is some brackets. I forgot every time the brackets. Where it went wrong. I'm unable to understand, guys. Logical text and value true. So still here is correct. So remove this one. F9. Okay. Okay. I did not put equal sign. Here I have equal sign. Number. Okay. F9. 0. Why 0? Yes, extra bracket is there, so I'm removing extra bracket. Max is but two is not there. F9. Where I'm getting wrong, the procedure is correct, but where I'm getting unable to understand that one. Max is equal to John equal. Okay, so logical text and value true. So number one, F9. Yes. And here all zeros. Why all zeros? It had to pick up that one January. Where I went wrong. Why zero? January is there. Let me check again. F9, 62 equal to find whether weight is 62 F2 F9 the third position. Okay, so I'm using the whole thing into we need the employee name, right? So here is the employee name F4. Actually, I have to keep a row over here, row of employee name F9. So it will pick up the file. So we need this file. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll use one function that is a product. All of 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 only. Okay, and copy this whole thing from here because the same formula except one change that address here is the row number 5 and comma the column number. Instead of row, I'll use the column. Okay, close parenthesis 1 close parenthesis F9. So B5 is there. So what I'll do here, Control Shift Enter. Where I went wrong. Here also okay. I have not kept actually the whole thing. Row number. Control C. Here I will to use column. Control V. Instead of row, column. That's it. Okay, guys. B5 is the cell address where the employee who did the maximum projects in the month of Jan. And if you have any more doubts, please let me know in the comment box or in my Telegram group. And guys, by today or tomorrow, I'm going to actually this company MIS is not yet completed. Totally 20 queries are there, so I have completed only two queries till now. So after completing this query, I'm going to start a new videos that is Mr. Junior Bill Gates. I also call him Anand and I. And we are both are starting a new video where one query is being solved in VBA and that the same query will be solved in Excel 2010 functions. So both. So I request everyone, please cooperate with us and ask the doubts in Telegram group. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day. Ram Ram. Here, actually, this query asked in Telegram group. So, what is this query actually? I like to explain you guys. See, this is the Amazon. Okay, so we want to find which city is selected Amazon for shades. Okay, which city selected? Sorry, which selected? which city is opted for Amazon company. Okay. So whenever I change here, okay, here it is not there. RDL, I select this one, F, enter. Right. Whenever I select the company, it has to show that which city is selected this company. So first of all, what you will do, index of, I'm creating two-way lookup. I mean to say it's having rows as well as columns. So whenever you take rows as well as columns, so index will expect both things. Whenever you select only range, index will expect only either row or a column. But when I selected whole table, then index will expect both things, rows as well as columns. So what you need, I need to find the how many are excess here in this range. Okay, so I'm leaving blank. So it will understand that you have to, it has to show whole table, I mean to say whole range as per the selection. That is Google, match of Google, comma, comma 0. So index will understand that you have to pick up whole range of a condition, that is Google, this thing. F9. See, X, nothing is a 0, Haria, nothing is 0. So X years. So here X is there. So what I'll do, I have to find the position of the X where it is actually. So I select X, comma 0. Okay, so it will pick up 1 or 2 or 3. So it will pick up the 1. When I select Amazon, it will pick up 2. When I select Flipkart, it will select 3. So it is 1. Simply again, I'll use the index function to pick up the companies because we need the companies. And row is the 1. Close parenthesis. Now simply Control Shift and Enter. Whenever we change the company name, automatically it will pick up the city. Okay, it's Amazon, Flipkart. So it has to pick up Haryana, right? See. And I like to inform you guys that as early as possible, uh, there is a two things. One thing is that the query which is solved by VBA, and again that's the same query which we solved in Excel function. Because Anand, I call him Mr. Junior Bill Gates and myself. Myself will solve in 2010 or any other functions, but Anand will solve in VBA. As early as possible, we are coordinating with each other and going to start this session. So I request everyone to participate and make it success. Thank you for your
Okay, sir. Okay.
thank you so much for your concern.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi friends, this is Maya's Guru Rajnikant. Here I want actually this query from the company which I posted earlier in a group. So first of all we have to count how many are there. Okay. So But the query is to find the person or agent who did not reach the target. Okay, sorry. Actually, we have to find the person who reached the target. Okay, these are the person who not reached the target. Okay, these are the person who did not reach the target. So you have to find the person who reached the target. Okay, so it's a course. Maybe take some 9 hours work. Okay, in office. So within 9 hours of work, 1 hour gone for lunch, tea break, all those things. Remaining 8 hours. In 8 hours, how many have reached the target? These are the person they have given that they did not reach the target, but we have to find the person who reached the target. So it's very simple. Okay. So first of all, we have to match how many are there here. Okay. So I'll use the match function and I select this one, control shift down arrow, F4, comma, and the lookup array also this one. That is previously the lookup value, now it's a lookup array. Exact match. So it will show us the two things. One thing, wherever it matches these agents who not reached the target and the person who did not reach the target. So here NA means not available. Not available means available these persons who not reached the target, who did not reach the target, and not available means reached the target. I highlight and I press F9. See, Ravi is in first position. He did not reach the target. NA, Raju is not at all there. And 2. Another third one, Kiran. Kiran the second place. So he did not reach the target. So remaining NAs are the person who are not reached the target. Sorry, the person who reached the target. The person who reached the target. So here NAs are there. So I'll copy this, not now. So what I want NAs. Because already are there. The persons who did not reach the targets are showing the position where it is. Now I use is NA. So converting NAs into a true and falses F9. Wherever it finds the NA that is not available, so it will show us the true and remaining are all false. So I convert trues. I'll copy this one now. Control C. Double negative. So any mathematical operator will convert true into numbers. That is 1. False to 0. Okay. By using any mathematical operator. So every time I use double negative F9. Previously it was true and falses. When I used the double negative before the formula, so it converted false as a 0, true as a 1. Okay, we are interested in 1. So simply I use one function, that is sum product. It's an array, but sum product can handle array. So totally 6 are there who reached the target. Now we have to find the person who reached the target. So what I want, first of all, I use if is a name. Just now I copied that one. Okay, if is a name, what you want? I want row of whole thing, control shift down arrow F4 minus row of this F4 plus 1. This type of thing, formula array constraint are used in lot of questions, lot of problems, lot of queries. Okay. Again, I don't want to explain all those things. First, I highlight this one and I will show you F9. See, 1 to 11. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's showing 1 to 11. So wherever it finds the NA, it will pick up that corresponding number from here. Okay, so I close it. F9. See, second. It's pick up in second, 4, 5, 6, all the 9 and 10. These are the numbers I need. So I'll convert these numbers as a row numbers. Okay, small. I need from smallest to, and the K value will be a rows. First smallest, second smallest, like that. In my previous video, I used this one. G$7, G7. Okay, this is finish. Control, Shift, and Enter. Okay, these are the positions. Okay, so now I want the agent name. Okay, so I use one function, index of this. Down arrow F4. I'm locking only the row, but not the column. When it moves from here to here, it will pick up the B value as well. Okay, close parenthesis. Now Control Shift and Enter. A drag formula, double click. What I'll do here again, there is lot of things. So I use a small magic function. I copy this only K part. What I'll do, this is a new thing I am going to teaching you guys. Control V greater than, if rows is greater than 6. F4. Greater than 6 means what you want. I want blank. I'll run this formula as it is. Control Shift and Enter. Let's check it out whether it's working perfectly or not. See, Ramu 46, Pranavi 46, all are reached the target, remaining are blanks. Okay, understood, guys? And if you have any more doubts, please let me know in the comment box. And if you find useful in this video, so I request everyone like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. You all after a long time. Okay. So here I have given this query long back, but I don't know, no one has been tried about this. So here I'm going to show you the solution for this. Right. See, what is the query actually? Find the total sales of respective employee by using sum if only. Okay. So how you will do with sum if? Okay, that will be the very logic you have to use over here. Okay. So what I'll do, first of all, what he said, you have to find the total sales of Madeline Scott. And the person did sales on south, east, north. Okay. So you have to find South region total sales of the salesperson. If I change south to North Sea, automatically it will populate the correct answer. How you will do? See, North Madam Scott. Okay. So we will see. This is the North. Okay. And Madam Scott. What is the Madam Scott? So here I will write those sales over here to get you better understand. Hmm. So here it is North 3310 and another thing 2138 and another thing is 3963. Okay. Now alt equal see, 9411. Is it right over here? Let me check. See. Understood? Now I will show you the procedure how you will do this one. Okay. Now here first of all you have to get total range of this. Okay, as per this. Okay, as per this you have to get total sales. If not, so you have to pick up all these, only not. Okay, let's try. So what I'll do here, I will use the index function is equal to index of whole thing. Okay, whole sales. F4, comma, and I want the column. So what I'll do, sorry, I want the row. So I'll skip the row. So it will understand that index will understand that you have to pick up total north range and you have to use the match function that is this one, comma, here it is, F4, comma, 0. So it will understand that you have to pick up only the north range. We need only north range. If I press F9, see what will happen. 29543310. 2954, all north sales over here. Still 4792. 4792. Are you able to understand what I mean to say? Control Z. Now I will use a function called SUMIF. Okay, if you want SUMIF, okay, SUMIF. SUMIF range. So you have to pick up the range and criteria. This will be the sum range. So the range will be this one. F4, comma, and the criteria will be this one, comma. And sum range will be automatically this one, F9. And I highlight this one, F9. Okay. Somewhere I went wrong here. Some range is right. Some is, wait a minute. Range, criteria, some range. Exactly. What will have? What happened? Anything wrong? Another bracket. Let's see. Yes, F9. 9411. See. Control Z is a normal function. It's not an array function. Just you press enter, it will populate that the correct answer. Okay. Coming to second part. What I said, you have to add last 5 rows and it should be a dynamic. It should be a dynamic. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll convert this into a table by pressing Control T, enters. So it converted into a table. Okay. So now what I have to do here, just use the offset function, offset, and the reference will be this one, and it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the reference. So what I'll do, how many rows you want to move? Okay, I mean not move. How many rows you want to jump from there, from here to there? So I will use a count function where it will pick up the all numbers. F for all numbers. What will do? It will pick up how many are there. Totally 14 are there. From here, totally 14 are there. But we don't want this one. We want last 5. So what I'll do, I'll skip the column and the height will be -5. So automatically +5 means it will go forward. -5 minus negative means it will go backward. So I use the -5 for that. Close parenthesis. F9. See, 3965 is the last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3676. See, simply add those things. Some product, enter. If you want, you can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13770. I'll show you is equal to sum of, okay, it had added the this one, so I'll remove this one. Wait a minute. Alt E A. I'll move here is equal to last five. Sum of last five. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter. 13770. Okay. If I add any new here, any new number here, like tab, like 1000. So here, how much it is there? 13. So 1000 means 14770. Yes. See, 14. Oh, last five. This one. 5. 111094. Sorry. 111094. Here 111094. Okay, understood. And if you have any more doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you. Thanks for your patience and learn more from Amaya Guru. And you can join. I will mention my Telegram link over here. So if anybody wants to join, welcome. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support.